stories. I see you plot game, I'ma see her box. You see her watch. Cause she's always trying to leave. She like, nigga, chill the fuck out, why don't you just let me breathe? I just wanna hoe, I just wanna be a skis. I just want a couple thousand G's, but only on the breeze. Cause I've been reading Zane and they got me horny. Cause this is the life for me. Wow, women do that, nigga, I'ma divide chips. Probably take over the universe with my dick. And I can see the secrets through my eyelids, even if they close. Nigga, fuck it though. A language that these people will never know. A plant from the fucking ground you can never grow. But nigga, you best pick up your phone, cause you don't wanna be here when the world's gone.
No pain, no gain. Old saying, if you tryna beef it and get it in and go ahead, get your Benjamins, but homie, remember when you do, stay militant. Gold figuring. Then he lost his gold to a bitch and a women friend. Wondering, damn, I don't know if I can go back again. The floor bring you the rough roads, you only visiting.